collection of tools for the DIYer. These are featuring today our new Power Cut scissors. So these are really great for cutting through thicker materials like leather. Super simple. If you fold it over, it's still super simple to cut. Really, it powers through the materials. The blades are designed so that it's smooth cutting with low force through the duration of the cut. We also have tools that we've added to the collection, such as the hammer. This is great because the soft grip kind of continues up the handle of the hammer, so that if you're doing more finesse work, you can kind of grip up, it's still comfortable, and you can use it that way, or you can also use the full hammer with the striking mode. We also have some neat new tools. This is our nail positioner, so this actually holds the nails in these holes. You'll hang on to the soft grip up here, and then what you're able to do is hold your nail straight while removing your fingers from the striking zone. Lots of new tools in this collection, definitely created with the DIYer in mind.